Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I quickly redesign my beautiful glitter stilettos into a snowflake wonderland. Nothing crazy, very simple and very quick. Right now I'm applying an off-white base coat gel color. This just basically neutralizes my pink, and the pink is not as bright. I do wear acrylic nails always. Once applied to all of my nails, I will cure it for 60 seconds. I'm using a stamping kit from Tab Direct. I bought this from Amazon, and I did include this information on my previous video. I am going to be using some snowflakes from the stamping kit that came, not the kit, from the stamping plate that came in the kit. Oh my goodness, tongue twisting. So basically how you do it, you apply a small little amount of the gel stamping nail polish, and then you do this. You smash it with it could be even an old credit card basically, but you have to make sure that you don't leave a lot, and you leave enough for the stamping stamp to catch on. And you just keep on repeating, keep on watching, and sometimes you will not see me putting any color on the stamping plate. That's because I already had enough leftovers. I was able to actually do 2 stamps out of it. So I do love this stamping gel color. It's very thick and it works wonderful. If you guys have any questions, please comment below and I'm more than happy to answer them. And just keep on watching, and I'm going to show you how I finalize this full design. Thank you.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
So I use a face oil instead of cuticle oil, but you know what, it worked anyway. And I guess I'll bring it up and put it on my makeup desk since it is for my face. But it does smell good and it works. Any oil you use for your cuticles, it will work wonders.